Hey guys, I just got a new order in and it's from LDRS. And while I've shopped with LDRS, or I should say I've bought some LDRS, I have a small collection. I've always gotten it on HSN. I've never ordered directly from them. So I was so surprised when this cute box was in my mailbox today. It's just adorable. It says, "Art is your soul expressing itself. Do something creative every day. We hope you enjoy your new crafty goodies. Thank you so much. We truly appreciate you." Isn't that sweet? So, yeah. So this is the first purchase I've made directly through them. So let's get into it and see what we got. So I only ordered a couple of things. They were having maybe, I don't know. Oh, I know they had just come out with a new kit, and so I wanted to try it, which I'm assuming is in this. Pretty tissue, which I have to save. So let me, oh wait, there's another piece in here. Okay, move that out of the way. And that, so let me get this box out of the way. I'm keeping this box. It is just too cute for words. And just the other day I was complaining that I had too many boxes, but you know, crafters, you can't understand us. So what I got was called Forget Me Not, and it's their new kit. Comes with 4 layering stencils, the dies, and then a stamp set. And I just, well, first I fell in love with the sayings, "Hope to see you soon and miss you tons." I say tons all the time. So it was right up my alley. So these are the stamp sets. It's got the matching die for the words and the stamp set and the layered stencil. So let's turn this over. And so there's 4 stencils. It looks like there's 2 for the flowers and 2 for the leaves. And when it's done, this is the die cut. So it will cut out the main flower and then the 2 side little flowers. Yeah, so that's, you know, I love, if you've watched my videos, you know how I love layering stencils. So I think we're going to give that a try. And then I also picked up layering stencils again, but they're circles. So I thought that would be fun. Well, maybe we'll try this one and then this one in a separate video, because this one's gonna take a while. So yeah, we'll do that. So let me get some paper. And we can try this one. Okay, so these stencils are, let me get the ruler. Six by 6. I don't, is this gonna be big enough? No. All right, new plan. Let me get some more paper. Let me get a paper. All right. So I think this will make such a pretty background for the front of a card. All right. So there says that they're numbered. Okay, they are. You probably are not going to be able to see it because I can barely see it, but it's etched 1, 2, and 3. All right, so I think I'll get lemon tonic, fuchsia, and parakeet. Those are usually a good go-to colors for blending. I don't know that any of these will overlap, but we're going to give it a shot. All right, so this is number 1, and I'm using the waffle flower multimedia mat because it'll hold the paper. And then I'll just put a little bit of washi just to hold the stencil down a little bit. And then we'll use some lemon tonic. These are 3 colors that I picked. Are mid-range of the Harmony Spectrum Noir collection. So if you wanted something that was more subtle, you'd be able to use the lighter colors. So we'll see what happens with this. I think this would be great for a background on a birthday card with a birthday cake on the front. That would be fun. All right, so that's layer number 1. And of course, I'll wash these as soon as I'm done. I like the way it's got the shadows and the darks. So that turned out good for the first one. All right, so now we're going to go right back into that corner. Put the washi back on. It does look like a couple of them overlap ever so slightly. Yeah, when I look at the finished one. And then we're going to go in with our fuchsia. Making sure that stays in the corner. If you purchase from LDRS or have purchased LDRS from anyplace else, let me know in comments, because a lot of the people that I interact with in my couple of groups have never heard of LDRS, and they used to be called Little Darling Rubber Stamp Company, and then they just, I guess once they went acrylic, or photopolymer, they just changed it to the initials. All right, let's take that one off. Alright, see where it's laid on top of each other a little bit, so that's nice. I was going to do it again with the blue. Cool. Make sure we get this everything tight in that corner. All right, let me close this one up before I make a big mess. And then we're going to go in with the parakeet. Parakeet. Wonder how this would look with yellow and gray and another color. What color? Maybe it's too whimsical for those nice subtle colors. I don't know. I'll have to try some color combinations. Get that right there. All right. All right, let me close this one up before I make a mess. And then peel this away. I need to get the blending brush back out because I see where the tape was right there and it didn't finish this circle off completely. Okay. There we go. All right. Look at that. Look at how cool that is. All right, let's cut this down so we can get a real idea of what it'll look like. It is we'll do it as a 6x6 panel. All right, that's weird. Take a little bit more off of there. You know, I'm still getting used to this caterpillar. And obviously it's user error because I do have issues sometimes with it. Okay. All right, let me get rid of this paper, get rid of the cutter. All right, so there we go. And it would be perfect to cut down even more if you want it for an A2 size. Or even, well, you could do a slim line and just repeat the pattern going down this way. So, yeah. I'm happy with that. And it wasn't that expensive either. It was $14. So, it also has coordinated stamps, it says, but you know, unless it's a bundle, I don't get the stamps, especially with this. I don't need to have the dark, you know, the dark edging around all the circles. I think this looks more like bubbles floating, and I don't think it would have that look if it was stamped. So I chose no stamp. The this one, you know, it was a bundle, so it came with the stamp. So I think when I do this one in that video, I'll do it with and without the stamp so we could see the difference. This one will probably be better with the stamp because it'll just bring the colors out better. But we'll see when we get to that one. So, all right, so that's it for today. Like I said, if you have used LDRS or have any LDRS in your collection, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you have this particular die. I think it's just a fun one, and I like it. So, but let me know in comments. And thank you for watching. Thank you if you're a subscriber for subscribing. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And so until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Thanks for watching. Bye.